In Google Cloud Platform, a service account is a special type of Google account that belongs to your application or a virtual machine instead of an individual end user. It is used by application running on instance to interact with other Google Cloud services like Google Cloud Storage, Google Compute Engine, Google Kubernetes Engine, and more. Service accounts are required in Google Cloud Platform for several reasons like secure authentication, authorization and access control, machine-to-machine communication, scoped access, audit and logging, and more. Service account provides a secure way for applications and service to authenticate with Google Cloud services without needing to use individual user credential. Service account can be assigned to specific roles and permission within GCP using IAM. This allows administrator to control what resources the service accounts can access, what action it can perform. A service account can be created with access limited to a particular Google Cloud project, folder, even a single resource within a project. Now I hope so you can understand what is service account in Google Cloud Platform. Let's switch to the GCP console portal. I'll show you how to create a service account in Google Cloud Platform. Now guys, I'll guide you how to create a new service account for your desired project requirement. First of all guys, click on navigation menu, then click on IAM and admin here. As you can see here guys, there is a option is here the service account. Click on service account here, then click on create service account button here, then add the name of the service. This is my service ID 1012 because guys this is the unique name you can assign, or if you are having the any project ID then you can assign here. Then click on create and continue here. Then you can select a role. You can the basic role as you want to for owner, then you can select here owner, or you can basic role you can select his role as viewer, then select viewer here, then click on continue. Then guys leave as it is the service account user roles and service account admin role, then click on done. As you can see here, each service account is successfully created here now. My service ID 1012 as you can see here. Then you can use your service account based on your project requirement, and whatever the project requirement then you can use is your custom service account name. If you want to remove your service account then select here, then click on delete here, and you can select action button and delete here also guys. You can manage the permission here, manage queue, view matrix log, all the options are available. You can click one by one here, then change your permission also. Finally, if you want to delete here, then click on delete here, then click on delete again here, and wait a couple of seconds. As you can see here, your service account is successfully deleted from IAM admin dashboard. As you can see here. Now I hope so you can understand it. Thank you and see you in the next session. If you are into tech and want to stay ahead of the game, then you have got to subscribe and like to the Sairaj Tech Cloud YouTube channel. Don't miss out on the latest tech trends and tips. Hit that subscribe button now and join the tech community at Sairaj Tech Cloud.